guys, thanks for watching Precision Rifle Network. I am Joel. This is going to be a quick follow-up video on my Tikka T1X versus CZ457. Quite a few people were unimpressed by the group sizes the rifles were able to produce. I did highlight in that video that it was pretty poor wind conditions for shooting groups. I was shooting off of a bench, I was shooting off of a bag instead of a bipod. So I've changed all those things. Wanted to just give you a quick follow-up video of the rifle's capability at 100 yards. The 50-yard groups apparently were acceptable to people, but the 100-yard groups were completely unacceptable. So I am trying to give you a better representation today of what both rifles will do. So I'm going to put only the SK match ammunition through both guns because this is the ammo that shot best the other day. And these are going to be two different 5-shot groups at 100 yards with the CZ457 chassis gun and then the Tikka T1X. So here we go. Well, that second group was pretty amazing. The first one was reminiscent of what I might expect. The second one was an amazing group. I'll show you guys. All right, guys, here we go with two back-to-back 5-shot groups from the Tikka T1X at 100 yards. All right, guys, we're walking down to the 100-yard line here. The second group from the CZ was pretty stinking amazing. We're going to go ahead and look at that one. And the second group from the Tikka wasn't too bad either, with the exception of one flyer. But I didn't call it, so we're going to have to go ahead and count it, unfortunately. But let's get down here and see what it is, and then I'll give you the Ballistic X app rundown of the actual group size. All right, folks, what you're looking at right here is the two groups from the CZ457, 100 yards with the SK ammo. The left group was the first group out of the gun. The second one there, just to the right of it, is the group from after kind of getting warmed up with the first round. Then we'll come over here to the Tikka T1X. Again, the left side was the first group out of the gun, and the right side is after I got kind of warmed up with the one flyer there. You can take it or leave it. I'll give you both representations of that group with and without the flyer, so you can make up your own mind. But there you have it, guys. All right, guys, well, hopefully you appreciate kind of the follow-up accuracy test of the Tikka T1X versus the CZ457. Shooting at 100 yards, 4 groups with the red box SK ammo. Was able to produce quite a bit better groups down here today. Prone off of a bipod as opposed to off of a bag and off of a bench in windy conditions the other day. So definitely feel like I did a better job representing what the rifles are capable of. Hey guys, take a minute to hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you a bunch. Thanks for watching all the videos all the time. Consider supporting through Patreon, and tune in again soon for another great video from Precision Rifle Network. Later.